Hello guys, welcome back once again in the another video of React Native. In this video I would like to show you that how we use the tab bar in our React Native application. So if you did not watch my previous video how we add the React Native vector icons, so I have given the link in the description box so you can watch my previous video of the vector icon setup, because in this video we will use the vector icons and tab bars both. So let's start it. So go inside the package.json. So here we will check that React Native tab bar package is installed or not. So here we did not add the tab bar package yet. First of all, we go inside the browser and type here we just search here React Native bottom tabs and click here. Yeah, so here the details of the React navigation bottom tabs. So we can just install the package. So just copy from here and now go inside the project and type here and just enter. So it will take few seconds. So actually a bottom tab is very important package because in mostly apps we use the bottom tabs. So sometime you can face a problem and we can install the package with force. So we just install the package again with the force and just enter again. Yeah, so now package is installed. So this is the package and this is installed in our package.json file. So now we will use the package. So go inside the navigators and here we are using already the login stack. So we just click here and create another file and we can give the name of this home tab. Actually we need a .tsx file here, and now we go inside the stack and just copy React and React Native and just paste here. And how we use it, so we can just read here about the bottom tabs. So we can just open the navigators and here we can read more about the bottom navigators, how we use it. So we can just copy this and here go inside our project and just paste here. And we can also use this function. I am just copying a whole function here and we can paste here like this. And all the props of the tab navigator is given here: screen options, back behaviors. So all these are given here. We can customize it. So we can read more about it and more customize the tab navigator. Here is all the details is given here. So a complete example is also given here. We can use this example also a more customization way. So suppose I am copying a complete code from here and we will use in our application and we can customize it also. Suppose I am copying from here and inside our project we will use it like this. So we are just using two screens yet, so we can take the more screens also. So I am just removing this, and in the login stack, this is our home stack. So now first we import the screens here. So we click here import. So we just select here login screen, and the another screen we select here because we are creating a tab navigator. So we create here another screens, like in the screens we create here, I am creating here a another screen, and name of the screen home screen, and the another screen we create here profile screen. So we can add here many screens as we want. So suppose a another screen I am want to add here, and just we can copy and paste and just can rename the name of the screen. So third screen, suppose I am taking here setting screen. So we have added the three screens, and this is the home screen. So we just copy from here and just use here. So just change the name of the function, and we export here home screen. And in the same way, in the profile screen we just rename it and rename the name of the function, and we just export from here like this. And in the settings screen, in the same way, we just copy here, rename the name of the function, and we can export from here. So we change the design later of the screen. So first we add in the tab, and we'll check the tab navigator. So now go inside the home tab and just import here. So login screen I think we need not require here. So I am just removing it and just importing here home screen, and another screen we import here profile screen and setting screen. So all these screens we have imported here. So we are using here login stack. Yeah, so in the tab we just change the name of the screen. So first is the home screen, and the initial root of the screen is the home. So here we can take the name of the tab is the, so component name we will take the home screen, and the name of the tab we can change here. We can take here the name of the tab is home. So the material community we are using here. So in the login screen we have already added the icons, so we can use in the tab bar. So go inside the login screen and just copy from here. We are using, because we are using here at the demo purpose, so I am just commenting this here and just copy here and use in the tab home tab. So we can change here like this, and we are using here with the size and color. So we can custom it, and we can also take the another class, or we can, but now we are using here like this. And now we just change the name of the another screen is the profile screen. So I am changing here, and here in the second tab I am taking the profile screen, and in the third tab we just change the setting screen. So setting screen we just add here setting. Yeah, so tab is now set in the tab bar. So we are exporting here. So my tab we just need to export from here. So we just export, and the name of the function we are using here my tabs. So we just export from here like this, and we just need to import this tab inside the login stack we are using here. So we just import here. We just check here, we just change this name of the home tab, and we just take here name is the home tab, and we just export here home tab. And now inside the login stack we just take the name home tab. Like this we import inside the login stack, and here we just take the another stack, we just add inside the login stack navigator. Home tab, and just I am adding here the home tab. Yeah, so now we have added the home tab in the login stack. So we just now need to navigate from login to home screen. So for the navigation, we first of all we go inside the login screen. So this is our login screen, and we check here. We are clicking on the register, and so this is the submit button. So at the click of the submit, we just navigate. Yeah, so here we just add the navigation dot, and here we will give the name. So navigation should be imported here. So we are using in the function navigation, so we can use the navigation directly here, and we can add the name home tab. So now I just save it and try to run that our functionality is working or not. So we just need to, first of all we go inside the iOS and run here pod install, because we did not run the pod install for the iOS, so it's compulsory and we need to install the pod. Yeah, so now go inside the home and run here the another command. Suppose I want to run on the iOS first, so just change here iOS. So it will take few seconds, we just wait for it.
A few moments later.
Yeah, so application is running. Now we just click on the submit. Yeah, so here we can check that our application is navigate inside the home screen, and 3 button is showing here. Home screen, this is the tab for the profile, but we did not change the name of the profile. So this is the setting, and this is the profile, but the multiple header is showing in the top. And we also check here notification badge is showing here, so we need to few changes. So here we taking a option header show, so we just click false and just again save it and just run the application again.
A few moments later.
And we just also add this option in the tab bar. So we go inside the home tab and check here we are taking option. So inside the screen option we can add here this property we are using here. Header will be show or not in the navigation, so we just add here header false, just save it, and now I am removing this and try to run the application again.
A few moments later.
Yeah, so application is running on the iOS device. We just click on the submit, and here we can check. So multiple header is showing, so it's resolved and our tab is showing here. So this is the home tab. Yeah, we are facing some icon related issue, so we just change the icons and proper names. This icon, actually home icon, is available, but this icon and this icon may be not available, so we just change it because we are want to change the name of the tab. Is showing here the update, but I want to show here the profile, and here I want to show the setting. And now I want to show here the icon of the profile. So we just go inside the browser, and already we have open here all the icons, and in the previous video we have set up the icons in our application, how we use it. So here we just use, so we are using here ant design icon, so just we can use any icon from here. Yeah, suppose this is the icon in the ant design profile, so we can use this icon here, profile, and for the setting we can use here any other icon. So for the setting, suppose I want to use here tool icon, so we can change here this icon. Now we save it and run the application again. Yeah, so icon is already changed here. Just I save it and we can check our update here. Yeah, so all the updated icons is showing here, so we just now need to change the name of the screens. So suppose now I go inside the home screen and I want to remove this design from here. We are using here the text inputs, so we just need to remove this from here, and I'm just taking here a view, and inside this view I am taking here a text and typing here home screen. We can use the same style here also. Yeah, so now save it and check that home screen is showing here. We can, so we can use here flex 1 and justify content in the center, and type here text alignment is also in the center. Yeah, so finally 30. Yeah, so now the home screen is showing here. So in the profile, in the same way, we can change inside the profile screen. I am removing this code from here and just change it and typing here profile, and in the same way we can remove this code from here and change this code with the setting screen. Yeah, so now I am saving all the code and check the update. Yeah, so home screen is showing here, and this is the profile screen and this is the setting screen. So we can also increase the font size of the each tab. So we go inside the tab navigator. So this is the tab actually we are using here. We can also change the tab icons and we can use here. Suppose I want to change the tab icon, so we are using here tab label, so we can use here tab bar label style. So this props of the tab navigator we can use for giving the style. In here we can give the font size. Suppose I want to take a font size 14. We can give the color. So in the same way we can edit in the each tab. So in each tab we can also give the different colors. We can customize each tab according to our requirement. Yeah, so now save it and check again. So you can check that the label size of the each tab is increased now. So this badge is also showing in the profile. So we can hide this property if we want to use any tab bar badge. So we can use this property for the badge number. So suppose this time I am commenting this line. Yeah, so now the label will be show like this. So here we can also increase the size of the each icon. Suppose I want to use here icon size 25. Yeah, so icon size will be decrease and increase from here. So we are taking here black color. So I want to change the color green color. Yeah, so now the color will be changed here, but we are taking here the black color of each tab, and we are using here tab bar active tint color, and we can also use inactive tint color. Suppose the active color I want to change here green, and the inactive tint color is we are using this color. So now I am changing this and selecting, but the color changing is not working here. We are taking here black color. Yeah, so currently we are clicking but it's not changing. It will not work because we are using here a color we have added, but the screen options color will be work when we use this color here. Suppose I am changing the color here now like this, because now we are using the props color tab bar icon. So like this, and now I am saving and checking that on the click every icon color is changing. So in the same way we can run the application in the Android platform. Suppose now we will run the application on the Android. So just we type here Android and just enter and check that the tab bar will work for Android or not. So suppose I am clicking on the submit. Yeah, so we can check that the same tab bar is working for the iOS as well as for the Android. So I hope this video is very helpful for understanding the tab navigation and how we can customize the tab and we can use in our iOS and Android application. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.